In this tutorial I will show you how to create a simple tracking campaign in Voluum without any postbacks and advanced tracking stuff, just so you understand how to create basic things like traffic source, offer, lender and campaign at the end. Okay, so in the Voluum interface you need to go to traffic sources, and create your traffic source that you will use. For example, if you will use Taboola advertising platform, fine, just choose. Voluum has a lot of templates for most popular and not much popular traffic sources, so just choose Taboola, click next, proceed. It tells you that we already have Taboola traffic sources, but I will try to show you from the start. You don't need to change anything here except one token, the cost. Like if you wanna get the cost from traffic source to your volume, so you need to type a token when it will be it's set the same cost. In fact, we need to get this cost from the traffic source. So here is a list of Taboola tokens, and here is CPC real-time, CPC bit of each lead. That is what you need to place here. And you can set it as here. There is a default source postback, and I will not change anything here. We will discuss these postbacks in next lessons. So that's it. Just click save. Here is my traffic source for testing. Next, we need to create offer, and I will change the workspace to test workspace for this traffic source. So test. And we will set it as wait a minute. This offer URL you need to request from your client. So this is our test URL for the offer. If you're talking about another options that we have here, so no need to change anything. So when we have offer and when we have traffic source, we can create a new campaign. This country label, it's good to set for your specific country, but it's not really make sense. I mean, it doesn't care. So if you will choose Andorra, for example, and you will make a campaign for the USA market, it doesn't matter. It's just so you understand for which country you will make it. Okay, and set choose traffic source you had create. Here it is. And by the way, if you will create a new campaign and you will see this window, like choose what campaign type you need, just choose advanced right from the start. And you will have the same interface that I have. Like that. Okay, so we've set traffic source. We've choose a redirect method as redirect, not direct. We need to choose redirect. And click next. Here you need to choose your lender and offer. As we have only offer and we don't have lenders for yet, just choose offer here and choose the offer you had created. Offer without click ID. We will append this click ID later, because in general it's not required to have a working campaign to add anything else except a direct link to the offer, because this click ID and so on, these tokens we will need for the advanced tracking for the postbacks. Click save, and here you have tracking campaign URL. And there is a tracking script, and just it's a completely different story how to use this tracking script, and it's change it difference it depends of your traffic source. Also, for example, if you change traffic source to organic, you will have a different script, as you can see, for organic. Done. So here is our test campaign. And the next thing you need to do is to make a test. That is our offer page. It's a test page, so all works. Next thing what we will do is add lender page. I will set a testing page for these purposes, and also for the landing page you don't need any additional tracking parameters like whatever equals whatever. You can add just a link to the landing page, and that's it. We will not discuss in this tutorial about number of CTAs and so on and so on. Like, I have this landing page test. Let's make it test 1. So I had create the test 1 page. Here is HTML of this page, and the thing here is you need to add a click URL from Volume to your CTA buttons on the landing page. So for example, if your landing page has some URL like to offer page, let's get an offer page from this example. Yeah, and it was work for you. Wait a minute, I had not update. So you need to replace this CTA button with /click URL. This is your volume domain that you append to the volume, and like that. And click save. Now we will append a landing page to our tracking campaign. Choose lenders and offers. Copy the campaign URL, and I will set the CPC to make sure it works. Let's try to test. The thing is, when you make changes to campaigns, it can work. It appends to the campaign not from the start. You need to wait, in some cases 5 minutes, few minutes. So here is our landing page. We will click on a CTA link and we go to the offer page. So it works. And the thing is, now when you have this landing page and you had changed the click URL, the CTA button URL to the offer, the thing with volume is that it will not work. When you click it, you get error 400. That's because you need to test this landing page from the campaign tracking URL, but not from the direct, to go with direct landing link. So that's the thing you need to understand about volume. Voluum is a cookie-based traffic delivery system, and when you will change the CTA button links to /click volume links, so now you need to make all tests. So for example, here I have 400, and if I use the campaign tracking link, I get to the offer page. So that you need to understand. We will discuss how we can to change things, to be able to make this link work for the direct traffic, direct landing page traffic, but it's not about this. I'm trying to show you just a basic things, how to create a campaign, offer, lender, and the traffic source. And now if I will update the page, I will have visits, unique visits, click, I have statistics, and I have also, I believe, somewhere here I need to have the costs column settings. And here we have costs.